In the vast expanse of the universe, where the mysteries of the cosmos awaited exploration, the Hubble Space Telescope was conceived. Launched on April 24, 1990, this groundbreaking instrument was destined to revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. The Hubble Space Telescope, a collaborative project between NASA and the European Space Agency, was a marvel of engineering, designed to observe the universe in near-infrared, visible, and ultraviolet light. Its primary goal, to unlock the secrets of the distant, uncharted regions of space. However, just 3 weeks into its mission, disaster struck. A flaw in the telescope's primary mirror caused a significant blurring of its images, threatening to undermine its purpose. This crisis, known as the Hubble Crisis, set shockwaves through the scientific community. Undeterred, a team of astronauts was assembled to repair the telescope during a series of spacewalks. The first repair mission, STS-61, was launched in December 1993. The astronauts, led by Commander Michael Smith, worked tirelessly, replacing the mirror and installing new corrective lenses. The successful repair mission was a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. The Hubble Space Telescope, once again, resumed its mission, providing stunning, crystal-clear images of distant galaxies, nebulae, and celestial phenomena. Over the years, the Hubble Space Telescope has been instrumental in numerous scientific breakthroughs. It has helped confirm the existence of dark energy, detected the oldest galaxy, and provided compelling evidence for the Big Bang theory. Today, the Hubble Space Telescope continues its celestial voyages, beaming back images that fuel our curiosity and deepen our understanding of the universe. Its legacy serves as a reminder that with determination and innovation, we can overcome challenges, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge further into the cosmos. The Hubble Space Telescope, a testament to mankind's quest for knowledge, an instrument that has illuminated the mysteries of the universe, and a symbol of our unwavering pursuit of cosmic insights.